Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I'll be going over 2 ways on how to get Microsoft Office for your MacBook computer. Before I begin, give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. I do a lot of tech-related videos, how-to guides, tutorials, all that good stuff. So let's just jump right into it. 2 ways to get Microsoft Office for your Mac. I'll be showing you the free way on how to get Office for free. Yes, I said for free. And the other is to how to get Office, the paid version, the version that you would have to pay for typically. So let's just start with the good stuff, the free stuff. So what you want to do is on your Mac, you want to go to the Safari web browser, which is right here on your dock. Looks like a compass. Up here in the search bar, you want to type in www.office.com. Now here you want to sign in with your Outlook email address. If you don't have an Outlook email address, I'll link a video in the description on how to create one. So just hit sign in either here or top right hand corner here. From here you want to sign in with your Outlook email address. Alright, so once in here, you want to go and you can do this one of 2 ways. It's going to say, good evening or good morning, whatever time it is when you're watching this video. You will see the Outlook suite, excuse me, right here on the front page. You have Outlook, you have OneDrive, the Office suite, I mean the Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and you also have it here as well. If you click these little squares, you have it on the left-hand side. So I know I did this video not too long ago on how to get Office for free, but this is kind of a refresher just in case if you didn't watch that video, this is how you get it for free. As long as you have an Outlook email account and you signed in, you can get these programs for free. They're web-based programs, so they're just about the full-fledged programs. The only thing you need is just one thing, and that's internet connection to access these programs for free. Outlook email address and internet connection. And you can just jump into whatever program you want. If it's Word, you can do new blank document. And it's going to have me log in one more time. So bear with me. Alright, so I hit new blank document, and then from here I can just make a new Word document like I would if I owned the Office program. So I can do, test document Mac. So once you're signed in with your Outlook email, all these programs are cloud-based programs, so you can access them anywhere. You can access them on a Mac, you can access them on a PC. As long as you have an Outlook email address and as long as you have internet connection, you guys are good to go. So here I go, I typed up a Word document. And that's the other thing too. This saves automatically to your OneDrive. You don't have to worry about saving it manually. It just saves every time you make a change. Saves to the OneDrive. So if I click on this right here, I can name it whatever I want. Mac OS test document. And it will be saved to my OneDrive. So I just hit enter on my keyboard just to name it that file name, Mac OS. So if I go here, the app launcher, and I go to OneDrive, it'll show the document that I was just in, Mac OS test document. So that's how you access Office 365 Microsoft Office programs for free on a Mac. Like I said, it can be on any computer. It can be on a PC. It can be on a Mac. It could be anything as long as you have internet connection and that Outlook email address. So that was a free way to show you how to access these programs: PowerPoint, Word, Excel. All right, now that I showed you the free version on how to access Office, now I'm going to show you how to get the full program on your MacBook downloaded, the full programs through the App Store. So what you want to do is on your Mac, go to the App Store on your dock and search for Microsoft Office 365. And then click on 365 for Mac. From here, you're going to find Microsoft 365, and you're going to click Purchase or Install, whatever it says here. Click on that. I already have it installed, but once you click on that, it shows you what programs are included: Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook. So if we close out of this, mine's already downloaded. So once it's downloaded, you can click the magnifying glass, top right-hand corner, and just type in Word, for example. You can find Word, hold your mouse in, and drag it to your dock. And you can do the same thing for PowerPoint and Excel. Alright, so once we have these programs downloaded on our actual Mac, if you click on one, it will tell you to sign up. You get a month free trial. Blank document. It'll say, a month free trial. If you activate, you can go premium. Your first month is for free, but then after that, it is $70 a year. So just keep that in consideration. What the actual Office program lets you do is it lets you edit documents, read documents, do everything you want to do in these programs offline. So in case you lose internet or your Wi-Fi goes down, you can still access these programs as well as other things. But the main thing is, with the free version I showed you, you can get that for free as long as you have Wi-Fi. If you don't have Wi-Fi, it's not going to work. Here, if you subscribe to Microsoft's Office 365 subscription plan, $70 for a year gets you all the premium features, and it also gets you a terabyte of space on your OneCloud as well, or OneDrive. I'm sorry. That's pretty much it, guys. That is 2 ways on how to access Office on your MacBook, one free and one paid. You can just choose whatever one you want to go through. If you're used to going through the actual programs on a Windows machine, then if you just shoot for that. If you already have an active subscription, you can sign in and go from there. So hopefully that helped, guys. If it did, give this video a like, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the channel. I appreciate it. And then also let me know if you want me to cover anything in particular, if it's Mac related, Windows related, Google related, anything at all. Just let me know, and I will be sure to make a video about it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.